it's possible. But here we go, everybody. Juniper Networks. We already did it. Panera Bread and Amazon, we already done them. But here's one that we're going to do now called LVS, Las Vegas Sands Casino Operator. And what did they do right? Well, they closed at $46.30. And they went as high as $49 MMTs. And the bid right now is 48 by 48.02. So what did they do? It doesn't trade like our other one wins so much, but I can tell you that they beat by 10 cents and they beat on the revs. And margins expected to reach a market leading of around 33%. They're going to have growth drivers are going to be significant margin improvements at Sands China in Singapore. Okay? In Singapore. Okay? So what Las Vegas Sands does is they've got these casinos over there in Macau, okay? And we're going to take a look. What I'm interested in is what the different properties have done, and we'll talk about that later. The overall revenue headline number is that it's 54 cents per share. It's 10 cents better than 44 cents. Revs are at 47.1% year over year, but here's the nice thing about it. 2.35 billion versus a 2.21 billion consensus. A consolidated adjusted properties on a EBITDA, okay? And the second quarter of 2011 increased 90.4% to 901.6 million. Now that's good. Compared to 473 million in a year ago quarter. So there was an increase there. Okay? And that's what's happened. And the other thing is, we'll spend more time about it, but Sands China and Singapore, Marina Bay Sands produced a record 405 million. Okay? Another one of their properties, they recorded VIP and mass gaming and slot volumes coupled with steady growth in non-gaming revenue streams, including hotel, food and beverage, retail and entertainment. Okay, so they're doing well across all boards, and they're really developing their properties, in my view. So that's the fundamental part of it. The trading part of it, tomorrow morning, it will be in a range. It will go up right down at $49 on the highs. So we'll short that good news up at the highs, and then we'll let it come down, and we'll cover it, and then we'll get out, and it will be a long and short trade that in the range will probably be somewhere in the neighborhood of $1. I would say each way a breakout's going to be a good $1.60, and a breakdown is going to be $1.40 off the high. So we know how we're going to deal with it, and that's the trade management and the great report on Las Vegas Sands.